Hello everyone, welcome back to Craft Jenny. In this video, I'm going to make a Teacher's Day gift. First, let's see how to make these flowers. First, we need a square shape here. Then fold it as I'm doing here, and then we can cut a petal shape. We need to separate the petals, and then we can press the petals using a barbecue stick as I'm doing here. Then we can press the flowers with our hand or a sponge. This step is for getting a 3D look to the flower. This is for the middle section of this flower. We can use this as a gift for any kind of occasion, like birthdays, Mother's Day, Father's Day or Teacher's Day. So one flower is done. We need more flowers like this. In here, I have made 6 flowers. Mark 4 cm distance here. Here also we need to mark 4 cm distance. And fold the paper as I'm doing. Okay, here we need to mark 3 cm distance from each edge. And this is for the stem parts. Roll the paper using a barbecue stick as I'm doing here. Okay, now we can paste them like this. Now we can paste the flowers we made. We are sharing many kinds of crafting tutorials in our channel. So subscribe us and press the bell icon to get notifications. we can arrange our gift as I'm doing here. And we hope you enjoyed our video today. Give a like, comment and share with your friends. And also subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to get notification for more videos like this.